everyone, and welcome back to Easy Speak English, the podcast where you learn real English for real life.
Hi everyone, I'm Henry.
And I'm Sophia. Thank you for joining us today. Today's topic is something we all experience, rainy weather.
Yes, we will talk about how to describe rain, how it makes us feel, common problems during rainy days, and natural English expressions native speakers use.
And don't forget, we'll give you time to repeat and practice speaking.
So relax, grab a cup of tea, and let's begin.
Let's start with simple and useful vocabulary for rainy weather. When it rains lightly, we say, it's drizzling.
Drizzle means very light rain. The rain is soft and gentle. Repeat, drizzle.
You can say, it's drizzling outside, or the weather is drizzly this morning.
Drizzling rain is usually not very strong. You might not even need an umbrella.
Now, when it rains very heavily, we say, it's pouring, or there's a heavy downpour.
Downpour means strong, heavy rain. It usually falls quickly and loudly. Repeat, downpour.
You can also say, it's pouring rain, or we're having a heavy downpour.
When it's pouring, you definitely need an umbrella or a raincoat.
Now let's talk about the sky. If the sky is completely covered with clouds, we say, it's overcast.
Overcast means cloudy and gray. You cannot see the blue sky. Repeat, overcast.
Example sentences. The sky is overcast today, or it looks overcast this afternoon.
Overcast weather often feels calm, quiet, and sometimes a little gloomy.
Practice sentences. Repeat after us.
It's drizzling outside.
It's pouring rain.
The sky is overcast today.
We're expecting a heavy downpour.
More useful rainy weather vocabulary.
Let's learn a few more useful expressions. When rain falls with wind and thunder, we call it a storm.
You can say, there's a storm coming. We had a big storm last night.
Thunder is the loud sound in the sky.
Thunder is the loud sound in the sky.
Lightning is the bright flash of light you see before or during thunder.
Example, I'm scared of thunder and lightning.
Another useful word is humid.
Humid means the air feels wet and sticky.
For example, it's very humid before it rains.
Mini conversation practice.
Hey, what's the weather like today?
It's overcast, and it looks like it might start drizzling soon.
Really? I hope it doesn't start pouring. I forgot my umbrella.
The weather forecast says there might be a heavy downpour later.
Then I should go home early before the storm begins.
Talking about feelings in rainy weather.
Rainy weather can affect our mood.
Yes, some people feel relaxed when it's raining.
Others feel tired or sleepy.
You can say, the rain makes me feel calm.
Or, rainy days make me feel lazy.
Some people love listening to the sound of rain.
For example, I enjoy the sound of rain on the window.
Real-life practice sentences. Repeat after us.
It started drizzling this morning.
The rain suddenly turned into a heavy downpour.
It's been pouring for 2 hours.
The sky is dark and overcast.
We should stay inside until the storm passes.
Don't forget your umbrella, it might start raining again. Natural everyday phrases.
Here are some natural expressions native speakers use. It's raining cats and dogs. This means it's raining very heavily.
You can also say, it's coming down hard. That means heavy rain.
Another common sentence is, looks like rain.
That means you think it will rain soon. Quick review.
Light rain is called drizzle.
Heavy rain is called a downpour.
When it's raining heavily, we say it's pouring.
When the sky is fully covered with clouds, it's overcast.
Now, try making your own sentence about rainy weather.
Practice speaking out loud. The more you practice, the more natural you sound.
Rainy weather is not just about water. It's also about sound and feeling.
Yes, rain creates different sounds and emotions. For example, I love the sound of rain tapping on the window.
Tapping means light knocking, a soft, repeated sound. Repeat. Tapping. Pause 5 seconds.
Now repeat the full sentence. I love the sound of rain tapping on the window.
Sometimes the rain makes everything feel quiet and calm. The streets are empty, cars move slowly, people stay inside.
Rain can make the world feel peaceful. You can say, the rain creates a peaceful atmosphere.
Atmosphere means the feeling of a place. Repeat. Atmosphere. Pause 5 seconds.
Now repeat the sentence. The rain creates a peaceful atmosphere.
Another example. The sound of rain is very relaxing. Pause 5 seconds. Rain makes the city feel quiet and calm. Sometimes the rain sounds soft. Sometimes it sounds heavy.
Light rain sounds gentle. Heavy rain sounds loud. Repeat. Gentle. Pause. Loud. Pause.
Mini conversation. Do you like rainy weather?
Yes, I do. I find it relaxing
Why?
because the sound of rain helps me sleep.
That's interesting. I like it too.
Rain makes me feel calm and peaceful.
Some people don't like rain,
That's true. Some people feel bored on rainy days.
but others enjoy the quiet atmosphere.
Yes, rainy days are perfect for reading or resting.
Speaking practice. Now answer this question. Do you like the sound of rain?
Speak for 20 seconds.
Good job. Rain affects our mood.
Yes, rain can change how we feel. Sometimes it makes us calm. Sometimes it makes us sad.
You can say, I feel cozy on rainy days.
Cozy means warm and comfortable, safe and relaxed inside your home. Repeat, cozy.
Now repeat the sentence. I feel cozy on rainy days.
Maybe you're drinking tea. Maybe you're reading a book. That feeling is cozy.
Or you can say, I feel gloomy.
Gloomy means slightly sad or low energy. Not very sad, just quiet and a little down. Repeat, gloomy.
Now repeat the sentence. I feel gloomy on rainy days.
Some people feel lazy.
Yes, rainy weather can make people want to sleep or stay in bed. Repeat, lazy.
Others feel romantic.
Rain can feel soft and emotional. Repeat, romantic.
Some people feel peaceful.
Peaceful means calm and relaxed inside. Repeat, peaceful.
Many examples. Listen and repeat. Rain makes me feel calm.
Rainy days make me sleepy.
I feel happy when it rains.
I feel relaxed on rainy evenings.
Speaking practice. Now answer this question. How do you feel on rainy days?
Speak for 20 seconds. Now let's talk about problems.
Yes, rainy days are not always perfect. Sometimes they cause trouble.
First problem, traffic.
When it rains, traffic becomes slower. You can say, traffic gets worse when it rains.
Traffic gets worse when it rains.
Cars move slowly. Drivers must be careful.
Roads become slippery. Slippery means smooth and dangerous. Repeat. Slippery.
Now repeat the sentence. The roads are slippery.
Another common problem is getting wet.
You can say, I got caught in the rain.
This means you were outside when it suddenly started raining. Repeat. I got caught in the rain.
If you are completely wet, you say, I'm soaked.
Soaked means very, very wet. Repeat. Soaked.
Now say, I'm soaked.
If you are only a little wet, you say, my clothes are damp.
Damp means slightly wet, not completely soaked. Repeat, damp.
Now repeat. My clothes are damp.
Conversation example.
You look wet.
Yes, I got caught in the rain.
Are you soaked?
Almost. My shoes are completely soaked.
You should change your clothes.
Yes, I will. I don't want to get sick.
Now let's learn natural expressions.
These are common expressions that native speakers use.
First expression. It's raining cats and dogs.
This means it's raining very heavily, very strong rain. Repeat. It's raining cats and dogs.
Good. Remember, this is an expression. It does not mean real cats and dogs.
Next expression. Let's take a rain check.
This means let's do it another day, maybe because of bad weather. Repeat. Let's take a rain check.
Example. It's raining. Let's take a rain check.
Next. I hope it clears up.
Clear up means the rain stops and the sky becomes bright.
Repeat. I hope it clears up. Now say, I hope it clears up soon.
Last expression. The weather is unpredictable.
Unpredictable means you don't know what will happen. It can change quickly. Repeat. Unpredictable. Now repeat the full sentence.
The weather is unpredictable.
Repeat practice. Repeat after us. It's raining cats and dogs. Let's take a rain check. I hope it clears up soon.
The weather is unpredictable.
Excellent work. You now know many useful rainy day expressions. Keep practicing and use them in real conversations.
Let's continue.
Wow, it's pouring outside.
Yes, it started as a drizzle, but now it's a heavy downpour.
I was planning to go for a walk.
Maybe we should take a rain check.
Good idea. The roads are probably slippery.
And traffic will be terrible.
At least the rain makes everything look fresh and clean.
True. I actually enjoy rainy evenings. They feel cozy.
Same here. I like listening to the rain tapping on the roof.
It sounds peaceful and relaxing.
Yes, it helps me forget stress.
Sometimes I make tea and just sit by the window.
That sounds nice. Rainy days can be very calming.
But I don't like getting caught in the rain.
Me neither. I hate being soaked.
Last week, I got completely soaked.
Really? What happened?
I forgot my umbrella and it started raining cats and dogs.
That's the worst.
Yes, my shoes were still damp the next day.
Well, I hope it clears up tomorrow.
Me too. But the weather is unpredictable these days.
That's true. You never know what will happen.
For now, let's just enjoy the sound of the rain.
Agreed. Rainy evenings are perfect for relaxing. Now it's your turn.
This is your final speaking challenge.
Speak for 1 full minute about what rainy weather looks like in your city,
How it makes you feel.
problems during rainy days.
And one expression you learned today.
Try to speak without stopping.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak confidently.
Closing. Today you learned how to talk about rainy weather naturally and confidently.
You learned new vocabulary, expressions, and real conversations.
Remember, the key to fluency is speaking out loud.
Practice every day, rain or shine.
The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.